Welcome back to the channel today, guys. Got a little bit of a treat in store today. We are going to do a ride along in a Mustang. We're just waiting on it to get here. Now this will be the first time that I'm seeing it, and also it'll be the first time you guys are seeing it as well. So he should be here in a few minutes, and when he gets here, we'll pick the video back up. Chevrolet powered 98 Mustang, as you can see. Yeah, I know there are going to be some haters out there. If a man wants his car to have a Chevrolet motor in it, it's going to have a Chevrolet motor in it. This is, he can do whatever he wants to it. And we're going to speak with the owner here in a few seconds so we can find out exactly what cubic. The owner is Joe. Joe's going to give us a little info on the car, the powertrain. So I'm going to let you speak to Joe here for a second, and he's going to tell us what's powering this big bad Mustang.
All right, so what we got is a stock little street car, if you want to call it that. But it's a little 406 stroker. It's got dart heads on it, flat top pistons. There's no crazy high compression, anything like that. It runs on 93 pump gas, could be 91 if I really wanted to push it. 750 double pumper on top, the brawler style, little purple one. Just really junkyard parts. I mean, it's got a set of mid-length headers on it, you know, nothing real special. Decent little radiator to keep it cool in the front. But yeah, I mean, it's a good little streetable car. It runs 730s on the track, 720s on, you know, good weather. But
yeah, he actually got a 730 out of it last night.
Yeah, it was real humid, but yeah, it does pretty good. I mean, for what it is. So
it's actually cheaper to build a Chevrolet motor than it is a Ford motor, so that's why a lot of guys actually swap these things out. You did say this thing's already got the 8.8 rear end, right?
Yeah, it's actually an 8.8 swap out of a New Edge GT, so it's ready to go. We put 14 gears in it last weekend, actually, yeah. So it hooks pretty good out of the hole.
Yeah. Have you had the car now, Joe?
This has only been about a month for this car. I had a white New Edge that I had to put a little 383 in, and sold that one not too long ago, and decided I need another little Mustang. Six body that it didn't have 100,000 miles on it. The boy blew the motor in it, and it sat around. It was passed down for a few different people around town, you know.
Yeah.
And it got built up here and there as a roller, and then eventually got the motor thrown in it and got down to me, and here it is.
This is exciting. It's been a while since I've been in anything that has power in it, brother. Shoot, since my drag racing days, man. Been quite some time.
Yeah, we actually cracked the bell housing on this thing a couple weeks ago, racing the boy, and just got a new transmission in it last weekend. So I'm still kind of feeling this one out, make sure it does. It's a little 350 turbo with a shift kit. I mean, it's nothing major. I mean, we're not making not making a ton of power. I mean, it's a junkyard build with a few nice parts. That's all it is. Lipstick on a pig, really. Yeah. But
hey, I've run 350s many a times in drag cars, man. They hold up. If you build them right, they'll hold up. That's for sure. Car sounds good, man.
Yeah, it's still full exhaust.
Is it?
Yeah, still full exhaust.
Now, what kind of shifter? We got the old school ratchet.
B&M ratchet, yeah.
Ratchet B&M.
I mean, it's not a reverse valve body or anything, but yeah, it's a decent little shifter.
Yeah, still rocking the old school guy. That good thing about the hood scoop too, it's not real atrocious.
Right.
It's not all up in your way. I remember a good friend of mine had a lot of Fox bodies back in the day, man, and he'd always put big old cow hoods on them. You couldn't see crap to the right, especially if you was at a drag strip.
Yeah.
You couldn't ever see the tree.
Oh, I know it.
You couldn't ever see the tree.
That white one I had a 4-inch on, and that was just about too much. I like this one pretty good.
I'm a stickler for red, so you know I'm gonna like it right off the bat because it's red.
Yeah.
We'll go up here and we're gonna take a little ride in the 98 SN95 V6. Now, guys, remember this is a V6.
For all intents and purposes.
Yeah, all intents and purposes, this is V6. We're just loud mufflers on it, really, is all it is.
We're racers for the day.
Yeah, with 14 gear in the back. Just got a 410s off.
But that 373 just wasn't getting out like we wanted it to, so yeah, put 410 in.
Well, run 1/8 of a mile, 410s is.
Oh yeah, that's pretty good.
guys, I hope y'all enjoyed that ride along in Joe's 98 Hybrid. This is like a Prius. This is a hybrid with a little small 406, just a little small 406. But man, she is stout. She really is. Recommend keeping the car. Cause I know how he is. I know how he is, y'all. He won't keep nothing. He won't keep nothing. As far as he knows, it is still original paint on the car. The only thing, of course, the hood's been painted because of the cow hood that was put on it. Like I say, it's been a while since I actually rode in a car that actually had some power. And I think the last time I did that was the little Vega that I used to race down at the drag strip, which is the local track that he carried this car to last night. And it is 1/8 of a mile, if I didn't mention. And he did get some 733s out of it last night. So maybe if he keeps it, and when it starts cooling off a little bit,
we're going to the 6s with this.
Yeah, we'll get on down in there with it, man.
With it.
Get on down there with it, especially when that cool weather comes in.
Oh, yeah.
But it was a fun ride. I enjoyed it. As you can see, little old 406. Good old heavy Chevy. So guys, thanks for watching. And I want to say a big thank you to Joe for bringing out his Mustang today. And if my dad seen it, he'd probably want to buy it. But I ain't going to tell him. But guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like Joe's Mustang.
Hit the notification bell.
Yeah, notification. Make sure you hit that notification bell. And won't be long, we'll actually make a little trip to the track so we can get some footage on this car running down there. And then hopefully we'll be maybe high 6s, maybe 680s. 680s would be good.
Maybe.
Yeah, 680s would be good. I believe he can get 680s. He get close to it, man. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. That is Joe's 98 SN95, a little hybrid, if you will, a little hodgepodge. Like I said, this channel here, I am a Mustang guy. I love Mustangs, but I like anything automotive, whether it be new or old, Ford, Chevrolet, it don't matter. We don't discriminate around here. We love them all. So guys, thanks for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video.